And getting in some breaking news right now, what we are learning is that tense situation currently prevails in Texas, where hostage negotiations are logged. Negotiators are logged in a tense standoff at a Texas synagogue, where a man claiming to be the brother of a convicted terrorist has reportedly taken a rabbi and several others captive. What we're learning right now is that the White House press secretary has said that the US President Joe Biden has been apprised on the matter. Going across to my colleague Jagriti, who's been tracking all the details very closely. Jagriti, good morning. Very concerning situation indeed. Tense situation currently prevails in Texas. Help us piece this together. What really happened, and have we been able to identify this suspect, and how many people are held hostage?
So according to sources in the law enforcement agencies, we are learning that a man took hostages during services at a Texas synagogue, where the suspect could be heard ranting in a live stream and demanding the release of a Pakistani neuroscientist. The scientist was convicted of trying to kill US Army officers in Afghanistan. We are learning that at least 4 hostages were believed to be, inside the synagogue, including the rabbi. Although nothing can be said with certainty, as authorities are yet to release an official statement in the situation. But the White House has said that the president has been briefed about the situation and constantly monitoring it. So yeah, that's what we are learning so far.
Jagriti, and also information now trickling in that the suspect is demanding that the officials release Arya Siddiqui, who's a convicted terrorist. Anything you can tell us about the convicted terrorist?
So, as I said earlier, nothing can be said with certainty, as the officials are yet to release any official statement in this situation. But what we know so far from sources is that Pakistani neuroscientist Afia Siddiqui was suspected of having ties to Al Qaeda,
right?
Who was convicted of trying to kill US military officers while in custody in Afghanistan.
Okay.
So yeah, the Pakistani neuroscientist Afia Siddiqui is right now held in a federal prison in Texas. So yeah, that's what we are learning so far.
Well, thanks Jagriti for getting us all those updates. So that remains one of our top focuses through the day, getting you all those updates at the latest situation that prevails at Texas synagogue, where 4 people have been held hostage. In fact, the suspect is said to be demanding the release of convicted terrorist Afia Siddiqui.